Is it work? Okay. Hello, my name is John Wilson. Today I'm going to explore the secret place of life together. But first, I need to get there. To get there, I need the teleporter. To get the teleporter, it should be under this tree. And I might have to dig for it. Okay, let's start digging. Ugh. Ugh. Yeah. Yeah. And done. Now, where is the teleport? This is the teleporter. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Ugh! What? Where the heck am I? Wait, worked. Where's my shower and stuff? This is life together. Huh? So where is everyone? This game is supposed to be popular. Hello? Anybody here?